Today I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Telegram and Google Sheets together using Zapier. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to automatically send information between Google Sheets and your Telegram chats, saving you time, reducing manual work, and helping you stay organized with your data and messages. Let's dive right in. The first step is to head over to Zapier.com. If you haven't used Zapier before, it's a fantastic automation tool that acts like the bridge between your favorite apps. For this integration, we want to create what Zapier calls a Zap, which is basically just a workflow that connects two apps and automates something between them. Once you're logged into Zapier, look toward the top left for a bright button labeled Create and give that a click. This will invite you to set up a new Zap. In the Zap editor, you'll see a space where you can define which apps to connect. Go ahead and type Google Sheets to Telegram in the search bar. This tells Zapier exactly what kind of connection or automation you're looking to build. Press Enter, and Zapier will get everything ready behind the scenes. Now, sometimes you may need to wait a few moments while Zapier prepares the automation workflow for you. Don't worry if you see a little loading spinner, that's totally normal. It just means Zapier is fetching everything needed for your integration. Once your Zap draft is ready, it's time to connect your accounts. You'll see prompts to sign in to both your Google Sheets account and your Telegram account. This step is really important since Zapier needs permission to access your data in a secure way. Go ahead and authorize Google Sheets first. You'll log in, then allow Zapier to access only what it needs, nothing more. It's like handing the key to just one room in your house. Next, you'll connect your Telegram account, which may ask for permission to interact with your Telegram bots or chats, depending on what you're automating. Take your time here. If you're unsure which Google account or Telegram bot to select, just double-check you're using the right one for your workflow. It's always better to be certain at this stage rather than guessing. After both accounts are connected and Zapier confirms everything looks good, find the Publish button, usually at the bottom or top right corner of the editor. Clicking Publish switches your Zap from a draft into a live automation. From this moment on, every time the trigger you set in Google Sheets happens, maybe you add a new row or update a cell, Zapier will send whatever details you want straight over to your Telegram chat or channel automatically. You won't need to manually copy and paste data ever again. It's like having a virtual assistant working quietly in the background for you. And that's it. You've just linked Google Sheets and Telegram together through Zapier in a few easy steps. Now, as you work through your daily tasks, you'll know important updates flow seamlessly from your spreadsheet to your Telegram, keeping you and your team in sync. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you ran into a snag with any of the steps. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tutorials. I post new guides every week and your support means a lot. See you in the next video.